Hi there, this is Dr. Todd Wolfe. Just wanted to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Here you will find many different tutorials on various technology topics, some of which I lecture on, I've given seminars on, others I teach at college level courses for a variety of different institutions across the world. I just wanted to welcome everybody to my channel, take a moment to introduce myself, and let you know if there's ever a time you would like me to cover a specific topic, provide a lecture, or speak at a seminar. Do not hesitate to reach out. I'm easily accessible. My contact information is available on my channel. You could also comment below. Let me know what you're looking for. Let me know of a topic of interest, and I'll be more than happy to provide you some insights on that area. Thanks again for checking out my channel, and I hope that you subscribe, and I'll hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.